Hey guys, it's Ryan here. Currently doing another informal video because I've been very busy. I'm currently in Seattle, traveling a lot lately, and yeah, I just don't really have time to make a proper video where I'm actually maybe voice work or with the little Ryan character again, but it goes that way sometimes. But I just wanted to come here to announce the competition taking place in September. I highly recommend you check out the feedback video that I gave on the previous winner and runner-ups for the August competition. I gave some pretty valuable feedback to those winners, and that's one of the prizes that you win when you place in the top 5 for the competition. And then the winner will receive a free course and also get the title King Blip or Queen Blip in the Blipsounds Discord channel, which you can also join in the description below. Anyways, for this month's competition in September, we are going to be recreating Marth's Shield Breaker from Super Smash Bros. On the Wii U. I know that we have Smash Ultimate coming around the corner, and we're probably going to have a little bit more sounds coming out from Smash Ultimate once that comes around, and we're going to be recreating sounds from that, but I just kind of want to build up the hype a little bit more. So all the info that you need is on blipsounds.com/competition, and you'll get all the rules, all the submission guidelines, and also any requirements that might be needed. One of our rules is to make sure that we record our sounds from scratch. And you also must include the source recordings in the description of the video when you upload it. But anyways, there's more guidelines on the website. Go check it out and enjoy. Hope to see you guys submissions. Thanks.